He works because he wants to eat. Yeah, that's reality, just life.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanna speak with you about the possibility of learning Russian using the apps like Duolingo or maybe other apps. Is it effective or no? I will share my experience, tell you what I think about it. Why I say Duolingo? Because Duolingo, I guess that's the most popular app now for learning languages. And almost all of my students use it, or people who just started learning with Duolingo come to me and I know that they started to learn it there. Sure, this video or not is only about learning Russian language, also about other languages. Let's discuss. So, I also had experience learning languages with Duolingo or other apps when I started learning Spanish, French or German. So what are the benefits of learning language with the apps like Duolingo? Actually, I would say that's really good to learn it because you can practice there your vocabulary. They have a lot of exercises to learn new words. I remember I started learning French there. I watched videos on YouTube and also started to learn it on Duolingo. And I remember now why I stopped doing this. Actually, on one moment, I understood that I don't understand why I use this grammar. Like, you try to create sentences, okay, and maybe you can imagine what will be there, like your intuition help you, but you don't understand why you use this. And if you will use these forms with other verbs, you will not understand what is it, why we say this.
Give me a piece of cheese. Here we use genitive case, one of 6 cases, and what you have to do, you have to learn theoretical part first. Before doing these exercises, you need just to learn the grammar, and after that, this app really will help you to learn language. You just need to understand what you are doing. It was my mistake when I started learning French here. I had first to learn grammar, why I use it, and then just practice this topic in this app. And I would understand it much better. But I was just 16 years old. I didn't know a lot about languages and studying.
Нет чая.
I didn't understand why we use this form and not another one. And I will be honest with you, I think that's not very effective. I mean, if you use only the app, because these apps, they are more concentrated on your passive skills. Like, you don't speak about yourself, you don't create your own sentences, you just translate sentences of that they created, or maybe you choose the forms that they created, and that's the problem. Because what's the best thing to learn the rule, the word, when you say this with emotions and when you think about yourself. That's good that they have a lot of funny examples in Duolingo and kind of depressive examples using Russian language. I will show you the examples. But when you don't say about yourself, you will not learn this word. You will not, because this is just something what is too far from you. If you learn language, you should speak about yourself. You should create sentences about yourself, your profession, your work, your hobbies, not about something else. Of course, it's necessary also to know how to translate sentences that other people say you, but that's not the main thing. I just found some funny phrases in Duolingo. I will show you.
He works because he wants to eat. Yeah, that's reality, just life. Do you have a stone? That's the sentence that you will use every day, I'm sure. I have forgotten what normal life is. Okay, you must choose cake or death. All men are the same. Okay, fine. You can run from yourself. Yeah.
But I will repeat, this is not very effective because these phrases aren't relevant to you. You will not use them in real life speaking about yourself. It's not an application problem, that's just impossible, you know, to make it with the app without communicating with another person, teacher or your friend, native speaker, somebody else. And just small minus, I don't like how they pronounce it there, because they are a bit more like robots, you know, and their intonation is a bit strange sometimes. So what's my advice for you? That's good app, a wonderful app, just like addition to your main course, I mean to your book, your video course, your teachers classes, I don't know, maybe you learn language somehow else, but please don't forget that main thing that you need is to communicate with real people, create information about yourself. And if you need help and you don't know how to start, how to learn Russian alphabet, today is the last day when you can join the Russian language marathon. So please, I give you some time to register, and that will be the last chance. We already start. Today is Monday, today we start. I already will publish first classes. This is 2 weeks of Russian. There will be video classes, short video classes. You don't need a lot of time to watch it, homework that I will check myself. You will get feedback from me in audio video format in Telegram, and also there will be a surprise that everyone who joined the marathon will have individual lesson with me of Russian. So just imagine you have 2 weeks of study with me and also one individual class. And I will say the secret, even participants don't know about this. I will tell them today that we also have private classes with everyone for free. Guys, write me what you think about the apps like Duolingo or other apps. Maybe you used something useful and you will share in comments. Maybe it will help us, people who learn the languages also. And send you hugs, and stay here for more videos.